Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video I'm going to be making this egusi soup. I'll start by washing the egusi. Yeah, I always wash my egusi because I don't know how long this egusi has been in transit. I don't know where it's been, how many hands have touched it. It allows me to clean it properly as I want. As you can see, the water is very dirty. Washing the egusi will allow me to get rid of the sand because the sand will sink to the bottom. So after that, I'll rinse it up and I'll blend it into a paste. I'll add some oil to a pan. I'll allow the oil to heat up and I'll pour in the blended egusi and stir it. I'll stir it very well and I'll continue to stir it from time to time because I don't want it to burn. Because egusi is very greasy, it tends to burn quickly. I'll cover it up and allow it to cook for a little while. Off camera, I have boiled my fish and my meat and I'm going to add the stock. I'll add the stock and I'll stir it and mix it in properly. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by, and for my returning subscribers, thank you very much and I appreciate your support. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video to help this channel to grow. Here I'm adding my stock fish and my dry fish. I'll add it and I'll stir it in. Today's hug is going to Pierre, who's watching from West Yorkshire. Thank you for watching and thank you for liking my videos. In the comment section, please let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a shout on my next video. As you can see, it looks like this pot is a bit small, so I'm going to transfer it into a bigger pot. I'll go now and add my blended pepper and also add the ground crayfish. I'll mix it all in. And I'll add my stock cube. I'll add my salt to taste and I'll stir it in. Here I'm adding the meat. As you can see, the oil is starting to separate and the egusi soup is thickening up. I'll stir it properly just so I don't want it to burn, and then I'll go ahead and add the vegetables. This time I'm using ugu. You can use ugu or you can use spinach, whichever one you have. I'm using ugu. I'm going to turn it in and I'll turn off my heat because I don't want the ugu to be overcooked. I always allow the heat from the soup to mellow down the vegetables. And here we have it. Our egusi soup is ready. You can eat this with your swallow or you can eat it on its own. Some people like to just eat the soup on its own and some people like to eat it with their swallow. Here we go. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you again in my next video.